Welcome, fellow ClickUp user, to this ClickUp guided meditation. I'm Kuba, and I'll be your guide on this journey towards a more organized, productive workspace. Let's take a few moments to reconnect with our ClickUp setups and visualize how we can optimize them for maximum clarity and efficiency. First, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. As you continue breathing deeply, feel your body and mind relaxing. Now, picture yourself logging into your ClickUp workspace. Take a moment to observe your sidebar. Are your spaces logically organized to mirror your company structure? If not, imagine dragging and dropping them into a sequence that feels intuitive. Feel the satisfaction of knowing each department or function has its rightful place. Next, click into a space that's been feeling a little bit cluttered. As you look at your folders and lists, ask yourself, do their names clearly convey their contents? If not, visualize renaming them with clear, concise labels. Watch as your workspace starts to feel more orderly, more scannable. Now, open a list and look at your tasks. Are they tagged with custom fields that allow you to sort and filter them in meaningful ways? If not, picture yourself adding fields for priority level, task type, or client name. Feel the relief of being able to slice and dice your work into manageable views. Remember the days before ClickUp, when you were drowning in endless email chains and Slack threads just to get a project update? Breathe out that stress and breathe in gratitude for ClickUp's centralized communication. Visualize yourself and your teammates leaving comments right within a task, keeping all relevant information in one tidy place. As you continue optimizing your ClickUp setup, feel a renewed sense of control wash over you. Your workspace is starting to feel like a well-oiled machine, with every piece of information at your fingertips. When priorities shift or new requests come in, you can handle them gracefully because your foundation is solid. Take one final deep breath and open your eyes. The path to ClickUp mastery is an ongoing journey, but with each small step, you're building a more organized, less stressful work life. And remember, if you need guidance along the way, just check the video description for our ultimate ClickUp guide. It is always there to light your path. You've got this. Have a sensational day ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.